Now at this point we want to add the letter grade part. We want to convert the average to a letter grade. But before we can do that, we need to add a special little piece of information so it knows what letter goes with what range of numbers. So we're going to go down here to the bottom and we're going to add another tab or another sheet, and this is going to be our Vlookup table, and we're going to eventually use the Vlookup function with this. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. The idea with the table here is we want to put the values we're going to look up in this first column. Really, to be specific, we want to put the minimum value, and then in the other column we're going to put what it will translate to. And we want to go from lowest to highest. So our lowest F would be a 0, and we'll draw our chart like that. Our lowest D would be a 70. Our lowest C would be a 75. Our lowest B will be an 85. And our lowest A will be a 93. That's our Vlookup table. Now, to keep everything nice and clean and easy to understand, we're going to rename these sheets. Let's rename the first one Gradebook. I right click on it and then it allows me to give a name. So now I'll right click the other one and rename it. And we're going to name this one Letter Grades, because that's where our letter grades are held. Okay, now just to make things simpler for us in our next step, we're going to select the cells of our little Vlookup table here, and we're going to give it a name so we don't have to refer to a whole separate sheet and set of cells. So after it's selected, I'm going to click here in the name box and I'm going to name it Grade Chart, and then I'm going to click Return or Enter so that we have that name. Alright, as always, let's save it, and I'll see you in the next video.